In this video, we'll demonstrate how our AI-powered module automates schema markup generation across multiple pages. The module intelligently analyzes page content and generates SEO-optimized structured data across selected pages, ensuring consistency while significantly reducing manual effort. We'll begin by navigating to the Extend interface in the Drupal admin to configure the module. Filter the list to locate the AI Schema Markup Generator module. Click Configure to access the AI Schema Markup Generator settings page. On the screen, we start by entering the OpenAI Access token, which securely enables communication between the website and the OpenAI service. Next, we have the Schema Generator prompt, which is fully editable and allows us to customize how schema markup is generated for different Drupal nodes. Thirdly, we have the validation prompt, which ensures the AI output is complete and structured correctly. We also have exclude fields, which lets us omit Drupal fields that shouldn't be sent to the AI, such as internal or sensitive fields. Finally, select the content type and save the configuration to apply the settings. Next, we navigate to a content page to demonstrate the schema generation. Initially, the page does not have any schema markup applied. After saving the page, the AI-generated schema is automatically added. To verify, we can view the page source and see the structured data directly embedded in the code. This shows how the module generates and applies schema markup seamlessly using AI. Now, we'll apply the same process in bulk for all selected nodes or pages at once. First, locate the AI Bulk Schema Markup Generator in the dashboard. Select the content type for which you want to generate schema. Next, specify the number of nodes or pages to process in a single batch. You can adjust the batch size to control how many nodes are processed at a time. Finally, start the bulk schema generator to automatically generate schema for all selected content. During bulk processing, this step may take a few moments as the system runs multiple backend tasks, including AI generation, validation, and updating the schema. Once the bulk update is complete, we can view the batch results showing the AI-generated schema for all selected nodes, along with their validation status. Since the nodes are linked to their pages, we can also navigate to individual nodes to review or edit the schema if needed and verify the structured data. Additionally, there is an option to download a CSV report, providing a full audit trail of the updates for review, validation, and ongoing governance.